For this screencast, I'll be instructing you on how to make a graph using Microsoft Excel. The first step you want to do is find the icon in the green box with an X on it. Click the box. The purpose of the screencast will be using the blank workbook. So you want to click on the blank workbook, and there is your graph. Before we start making a graph, you need to make your data. So you want to go on the internet and go to Google. The purpose of this screencast will be using the average monthly temperature of Webster, Massachusetts. Here we're going to click on the first website that pops up. We're going to scroll all the way down to the average weather for the month. And here you'll see all the months and all the average temperatures. So now we have our data. We're going to go back to Microsoft Excel. First thing you want to do is go on the A column. This is your x-axis, and the B column is your y-axis. So now we're on the top of the A column on your x-axis, and the first thing you want to do is make the title. And this title will be months, and your y-axis will be temperatures. Now in the first column, underneath months, you start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now these are all the months you have in the year. Now go back up to your B column. This is again your y-axis. So the next thing you want to do under temperatures and next to January is type in the month. Type in the temperature of that month. So you want to go back to your Webster average weather on your Explorer. You're going to see January, and you're going to fall all the way over to the temp max, and that will be 66 degrees. So then you go back to Excel, and you're going to type in 66, and then February. Go back to your Internet Explorer and go through February, and that's 57. So you're going to type in 57, and you repeat this process all the way till you get to December. Next, 70, April equals 89. Then we got May. May is 88. June is 94. July is 92. August is 93. September, 91. October is 83. November is 71. December was 65. Now that you have all your data into the graph, the first thing you want to do is click on the A column, and then while still clicking on your clicker, move it over to the B. So now that you have both of these of the data shaded in. Next, you want to go up to the top and click Insert. On this insert, you're going to find a place that says Charts. Here is where you make the graph. for the purpose of this screencast, we're going to make a bar graph. So you want to go up to where you see the pictures of the bar graph going horizontally. Click on it, and under the D2 bar, you're going to click the first one. And this is how you make your graph. You can make it larger or smaller, and that's how you do this graph.